Prairie Plant Girl here. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite little spots to stop when I'm in Calgary, Alberta. It's located on the 3rd floor of the Core Shopping Centre, and it's just past the food court. This has been one of my favorite spots to stop in Calgary for many years, and has recently reopened after 2 years of extensive renovations. Welcome to the Devonian Gardens of Calgary. As you make your way through the 1 hectare area, you will find over 500 trees and 50 varieties of plants. I love this cute little way they have of reminding visitors to stay off the planting areas. You can find them throughout the entire space. Most of the plantings are done with lush greens of contrasting tones and textures, but you will find a few flowers there. There are sets of stairs that take you to smaller areas if you want a more secluded space. One of these spaces had what appeared to be a dance class for seniors happening while we were there. You can hear the music in the background. They had signs placed throughout the area to let you know about some of the plants that they were growing there. And even a few sparrows have decided that this is a great place to be. I love the way they use the contrast in texture, form, and shades of green to keep the plantings interesting, even without a lot of flowers. This is a lesson I could definitely always be reminded of for in my garden. Notice that little black box at the base of the tree? And even they have the odd dead leaf that's fallen laying there. So I guess it's okay if my yard isn't perfect. It was evident that even a space like this is not immune to pests. I noticed small sachets, boxes, and sticky traps throughout the planting beds. I spoke to a staff about how they control the pests. She was very informative. She said these various containers and sachets contained select mites, nematodes, and eggs of predatory insects. She said lacewing larvae are preferred over ladybugs because they work a lot harder at eating the pests. She referred to ladybugs as lazy. The Devonian Gardens employs a specialist to monitor the soil conditions and plant health, as well as using things like sticky cards to capture and monitor the insect populations. With this information, he can recommend the best methods for controlling pests and monitoring healthy plants. The gardens contain a 900 square foot living wall. The staff I spoke to said a lizard lives in this wall. She said only one visitor she knows of has spotted it. So if you visit, play a game of Where's the Lizard? I found it really interesting the types of plants that they put in this wall. They're not the standard things that I would think of to put in a living wall space. They're much larger plants, like Schefflera, rubber tree, things that wouldn't have occurred to me to put in a living wall like this, but they work really well. And this is a large space, so I guess they need larger plants to fill it in. You see ficus, lots of variety in here. I never found the lizard though. You also find many water features and fountains here. I like how they've set entire pots of trees in some and used what appears to be pool noodles or floaties to keep some plants that maybe aren't quite as interested in being submerged in the water afloat. Many of the ponds contain koi, and years ago there used to be turtles that wandered through this area, but they aren't here any longer. You can see where they're just getting some plants started on this floaty here. You can see the little plugs. The city is very fortunate to have a large collection of masks created by a former employee on loan to them. The masks were created from trees that had been cut down in the city, and it's the burls of large pine and spruce that he's made the masks out of, and they're found displayed throughout the gardens. How many did you spot through this video? And if you're as fortunate as I was on the day that I came, then you will be entertained by someone talented playing the public piano. This little guy here played almost the entire time I was there, and it was lovely black background noise that could be heard just softly in some areas and obviously more here, and it was quite pleasant and enjoyable. Before leaving, you will come across one final feature, a playground for the little ones to burn off some energy while parents can relax in this park-like setting. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Devonian Gardens. I highly recommend, if you ever get a chance and you're in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, to stop in and check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.